If you're looking for a dash cam that connects to your phone, you gotta check out this 4K dash cam that goes right on the windshield of your car. I was completely impressed on the way that this was packaged, but here's the dash cam itself. This is really nice. Like I said, 4K vision, 170-degree wide-angle lens, and you have your little 64 SD card right on the side with a little screen right on the back, and this is the sticky adhesive that you stick right to the windshield. Now we're going to jump into setting up this dash cam in the front of my truck. I'm going to find the location, which is going to be right behind the rear view mirror. I'm going to remove the tab where that is the sticky, where you're going to push it right up against the windshield. Now I'm going to show you how to run your power supply and hide your cord in the trim of the car, which is extremely easy. You're kind of just hiding the wire in the trim of the car. And there it is, all set up, ready to go, hidden behind the rear view mirror. Now I want to jump into the app. This is in real time within the app itself, so you can actually monitor it right on your phone, the actually driving path or wherever you're going. And this is where you're going to come to find all your previous driving records. And this dash cam is jam-packed. Comment part 2 to see the DIY setup for the rear cam.